एक्चुअली डिटर्मिनर्स लास्ट क्लास में मैंने बताया था बेसिकली डिटर्मिनर्स क्या होते हैं. ये दे जनरली यूज टू बिफोर नाउन. डिटर्मिनर्स आर द वर्ड्स सच एज the, some, that and my. These are known as determiners because they are used before nouns. मतलब नाउन के पहले ये जो है यूज होते हैं. बेसिकली इनका फंक्शन क्या होता है? इनका फंक्शन ये होता है कि टू लोकेट और टू डिस्क्राइब द प्लेस ऑफ नाउन, डिस्कवर और शो देयर मीनिंग सो दैट दे कैन टेल देयर मीनिंग्स. They do not describe a noun. Basically, listen. To use before a noun and to describe noun, both are different thing. Suppose we are going to use before a noun, that is called determiner. When we are going to describe it, when noun is going to be described, that is called adjective. They determine. They point out. Like, look at the phrase. Now the question is, what is phrase? Phrase is group of words which make sense but not complete sense, that is called phrase. Okay, like example, the best girl, that, shirt, some mistake. When there is some, then there should be mistakes, some mistakes. My sister, every student. Means these colored words which you can see are called determiners. Suppose I am going to tell only best girls, best girl, then the best will be your adjective, not your determiner, and here the is your determiner. Kinds of determiners. First of all, we have talked about what is determiner, definition of determiner, example of determiners, and what is the difference between determiners and adjectives. I have cleared it. Now, kinds of determiners. First of all, we are going to talk about how many kinds of determiners are. Basically, determiners, main determiners are articles, demonstratives, possessives, distributives, quantifiers, interrogatives. These are known as determiners. Okay. In the case of article, we are going to talk about this is a and the. Okay. And in the case of demonstrative, this, that, these, those. Possessive, my, our, your, his, her, its and their. Distributives, either, neither, each and every. Quantifiers, some, any, much, many and several. Interrogatives, what, which and whose. These are the main determiners. They can be used. So first of all, we are going to talk about article. What is an article? Already it's a kind of determiner. Basically it is used before a noun to determine its place. There are two types of article. First one is definite article and second one is indefinite article. When we are going to talk about definite article, then the will be our definite article, and in the case of indefinite article, there will be a and n. Okay, example, there are three articles in a, n, and the of these a and n to form up a singular article. Suppose a is written, all of a sudden when our vowel sound is there, when there is vowel sound, when we are going to pronounce any word, then there we are going to use n, and suppose there is a consonant sound, then there we are going to use a. For example, it is written there, a student, the wall, a hard working student, a high wall, because hard, high, student, wall, these are, we can say that it is your consonant sound. Example, student ka s, sir, that is called student. Hard ka ha, that is called. Wall ka w, that is called w. High ka h, that is called. Okay, these are called our consonant sound. Actually, if we are going to talk about IPA. IPA means International Phonetic Alphabets. When we will talk about International Phonetic Alphabets, then there will be 20 vowel sound and 24 will be consonant sound. Clear? And semi-vowel will also be there. So here what is written, what is described in your syllabus, I am going to explain it. So regarding this which I have explained, a will use before a consonant sound and N will use before a vowel sound. And now where a will use where there is a countable noun. What is countable noun? A noun which can be counted, that is called countable noun. For example, student, a student. Wall, W-A-L-L, not W-A-L-L-S, a wall. Okay, if we are going to talk about, then a wall can be there. Suppose we are going to explain, then that is called, suppose specific is there, then there we will use article the. Sometimes its pronunciation will be the and sometimes its pronunciation will be the. When suppose there is a vowel sound, then its pronunciation will be the. फिर the or in, that is called. And when there is a consonant sound, there we can say that your will be the. Now we will always use before singular countable noun. A will be always used before singular countable noun. It will be in singular form and it will take, for example, student is singular, it can be counted, that is called singular countable noun. There will be a student. We can never use a singular countable noun alone without a and the, my, some. Means suppose there is a singular countable noun, means student, you are going to write only student, that is wrong. Obviously you have to use anything to determine a place. I have already told you a is used before a consonant sound. For example, a useful thing, that is called. A is used in the following case also. Suppose we are going to talk about where a will be used. The rule is that before a singular countable noun when it is mentioned for first time. Suppose first time you are going to talk about anything, there we are going to use it. Example, I saw a lion in the zoo today, that is called a lion, because first time I have seen that lion, that's why we are going to use there. मतलब पहली बार मैंने देखा इसको, इसके लिए मैंने यूज किया. सेकेंड कंडीशन, लायन काउंटेबल नाउन है एंड इट इज इन सिंगुलर फॉर्म. सेकेंड है बिफोर या नेक्स्ट इज बिफोर अ सिंगुलर काउंटेबल नाउन विच रिप्रेजेंट द क्लास ऑफ थिंग. सपोज पर्टिकुलर क्लास इज गोइंग टू इंडिकेट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अ चाइल्ड नीड्स केयर. अगर आप चाइल्ड की बात करें तो पर्टिकुलर चाइल्ड सारे बच्चों के बारे में बात कर रहा है. व्हेन इट रिप्रेजेंट्स अ क्लास और थिंग दैट इज कॉल्ड अ चाइल्ड, देयर वी विल यूज. Suppose we are going to express quantity, there we are going to use like example a lot of, a dozen of, a pair of, a number of. Clear? Suppose we are going to talk about price, speed, ratio, a dozen, a pair of, a number of. Before units of price, speed, ratio and weight. Suppose these words are their price, speed, ratio, weight. Then we are going to use, जैसे the car gives 15 kilometers a liter, means a is used, it is the quantity, it is a quantity which is going to tell, and what is the speed, that is given. Sugar is 30 rupees a kilogram, that is called a kg, and in case of a we can per also use. Okay, before certain numbers, suppose 100, a billion, an expression of frequency, that is called when we are going to talk about a certain number, 100, a billion, 1,000, a lakh, there will be in expression of the frequency. For example, when we are going to take, means suppose you have to take this medicine twice a day, thrice a day, that is called, in the case of frequency we are going to use a. In a certain exclamatory sign, suppose what a beautiful color is it, what a pity, there we are going to use it. And performs the same function as a, but it is used before singular countable noun begin with a vowel sound. Suppose A and N both are same, but the form of A will be converted into N, that is called before vowel sound. For example, that is, I am going to say that one man army, O-N-E, one man army. Then there will be a one man army. And suppose I am going to say that he is IAS, then before IAS N will be there. Means a one man army. One, its a pronunciation is wakil wala word, that is called one. And in another word IAS, its a pronunciation is is called your vowel sound. There we will use N, and in the case of consonant sound we will use a. Example, an R, an honest man, an MP. These are called your use of A and N. Okay, regarding the use of A and N, I have explained.